What problems have you faced as a police officer as a result of your gender?
I'll be honest with you, my experiences as a woman in policing have been very, very positive. So I have 20 years of service. I've been a police officer for 20 years. Definitely when I joined there were many fewer women in policing, and that's been improving over the years. But now in South Wales Police about a third of our officers are female. Whilst I've had some very good experiences, I'm very aware that's not been the case for everyone, and in particular females who joined policing before I did had to fight some battles to be regarded as being equal and being credible as well. So I'm very, very grateful to them. That said, I think there's still a lot of work to be done in terms of ensuring we continue to attract women into policing and also create opportunities for progression and to go into different specialist areas as well.
What does the International Day of the Girl mean to you?
Okay, so International Day of the Girl, I think it's fantastic, really do, and a real opportunity to pull together and understand the issues that are affecting girls throughout the world. Whilst my experiences have been very positive, I've been very fortunate both personally and professionally. I do understand that's not the reality for everyone, and in this country and abroad there are still girls who are having to live with and deal with things like gender-based violence and female genital mutilation, enforced marriage as well. And it's a really good opportunity to highlight those concerns and to make sure that everybody knows there's still a lot of work that needs to be done to ensure that all the girls in the world, I don't think that's too aspirational, the world enjoy lives where they are treated as equal and have opportunities and the ability to live their best possible lives.
Do you have any advice for girls aspiring to be a police officer?
It's a fantastic career, it really is. I came into policing for the usual reasons, and that was about wanting to help people and do my bit to make the world a better place. And I'm very satisfied that over the past 20 years I've been able to achieve that. It can be a difficult job at times, and our officers on the front line in particular often have to deal with situations which are traumatic, for want of a better expression. We're very, very busy at the moment. People are busy all day, every day on tackling the different kinds of crime, criminality, looking after vulnerable people, etc. I think it's a career for anybody who wants to develop their people skills, their ability to communicate, but also to work as part of a team. I think it's important that we continue to attract the best possible people into policing. It's probably not viewed as a job for life anymore in the way it was when I joined. So fantastic to be able to step in, give a bit back to society, pick up some additional skills and take those on into the rest of your life. So I would encourage anyone who has an inkling to consider a career in policing to give it a go.